That was a lot of shampoo. All right, guys, let's talk Defense Plus paint protection film. Defense Plus paint protection film, if you don't already know, is our line of film that we have at Drive Protected. We sell it as bulk rolls. Lots of guys don't even know that. You guys can buy it in the link in the description, either full rolls of gloss, full rolls of matte, or you can buy both of those by the foot at driveprotected.com. And we're gonna be doing a full front end with bulk Defense Plus paint protection film on this new Maverick right now. All right, so one of the first things you're doing when you're doing a bulk install is you need to measure, and you need to give yourself a few inches extra all the way around. So I measured this hood. We're gonna go 70 by 52, which gives me about 2 inches on there and about 3 inches on the front, because I do need to do some stretch. Now on the fender, we're gonna give myself about 1.5 inches extra here. There's not a bunch of stretch that needs to happen here. So we're gonna give about 1.5 inches, and then we're gonna go another 1.5 inches on the end. So we're going 50, about the same thing here, 50 by 38. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more on the bottom and top so I can do some stretching, because there's some stuff here that you need to work around. So we're gonna go with that to the warehouse, which is, our warehouse is actually just down the street, and get this cut and then come back and install. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by doing a full wash on this thing, because you need a clean surface to start with. For a wrap, for PPF, either one of those that you're doing, you need a clean surface. We're gonna start by using our car shampoo. We're gonna foam up this truck, we'll hand wash it with one of our wash mitts, and then we will go from there. Stop mumbling and start installing. Let's get foam it up. That was a lot of shampoo. Good thing I got more where that came from. Oh yeah, wash mitts also available, driveprotected.com. Now we're gonna alcohol wipe. I got my lint-free cloth here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna alcohol wipe all of our edges super thoroughly on all the inside edges, outside edges, get all that really thorough. Lift up the hood to get further in here. Now this video isn't necessarily a how-to. This is more so just an install, but might as well drop some tidbits in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the hood. I like starting with the hood because then I can let my edges of the hood dry out while I do my other pieces. By the time my fenders are done, I can go wrap my edges on my hood. To me, that's easier. So we got these valleys here, one here and one here. And as I'm going to use my regular slip solution for everything else, I am gonna spray some of our Slip Assist PPF insulation gel into those valleys, because then when I push down with my hand to get that in, it actually just helps bite and keep the PPF down while you're squeegeeing. So little tip, grab one of these, they're on the website. Also works really good for sharper edges so you don't get dry spots and those adhesive lines that you often see. If you just use a little bit of gel on that area, like these areas here, this here, instead of just your regular soap water or baby shampoo slip solution. So let's get to the install. Always want to, when you're using a gel and you're planning on using different slip solution along with it, I always suggest laying down the gel first, due to the gel doesn't love to stay in spot if you do your regular slip solution first. All right, we're gonna go back. Now we're gonna lay down some of our regular slip solution. Did a little, locked it down right there. I like it. All right, truck is done. Sadly, I kind of just put my AirPods in and I got into the zone with finishing it, doing the trimming and all the rest of the front end, along with all the post heat. So I didn't get that on camera. Sorry about that if you guys wanted to see that. But this wasn't really a how-to. This was more so just filming a job that we were doing and explaining that we use our own film in-house. So if you guys want, once again, the link is in the description. I'll walk you guys through this, kind of give you guys an idea of what I did and show you the edges and how I finished this job. So we did a full front end, all bulk. So I did the bulk hood. And what I did is I used the gel in these channels or body lines, whatever you want to call them. We used gel here and gel here. For me, I find the gel in those channels helps it stay down while I glide it down, squeegee it, it stays down better. I find it works really good on those. Also these edges here, so you don't end up with any dry spots. Then we did the bulk fenders and I wrapped my edges inside, got trimmed up nicely here. Also full wrapped edges on the inside edge of the hood, outside edge, all edges on the hood. All edges on the hood are wrapped. We got wrapped edges. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wrapped edges on both upper part, I'll close that later, upper parts of the fenders, and then bulked the bumper. So trimmed nice and clean along here, along the sensor, wrapped it down into there. And then here we did the same thing, wrapped into there, all the way right to just into that edge, just pulled back a little ways. There we go. That is a full front end on a new Maverick with Defense Plus paint protection film. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, drop a comment on your thoughts down below. See you guys in the next one.